As I'm everyone, in my church culture level from University Institute level 1 students, we have to talk tomorrow today, and the topic for the conversation is the future of augmented reality. For this, we're going to talk tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow.
Hey,
Yes, Maya, how are you?
gotcha. No smile noted. I'm functioning optimally, I guess you could say. Does that count? What's on your mind today, Aisha?
The topic of my
The top,
conservation. The topic of my conservation is the future of augmented reality. For this, what is augmented reality? AR is simple word.
okay, cool. Augmenting reality, that's a big one. You're right. AR is a simple word, but the concept gets pretty layered. Basically, it's layering computer generated images onto our view of the real world. Think of it as enhancing what you already see rather than replacing it completely like virtual reality does. Pokemon Go is probably the most well known example. Digital creatures appearing in your actual surroundings. Does that track?
Okay, and how is AR different from virtual reality VR?
Good question. Virtual reality, or VR, creates a totally immersive digital world. You're completely blocked off from the physical world, usually with a headset. AI isn't necessarily a part of VR, though it can be used to create more realistic or interactive environments within it. But AI is absolutely central to augmented reality. AR needs AI to understand the real world, to recognize objects, track surfaces, and place those digital images realistically. AI is what allows AR to understand where to put the digital stuff in your view and to react to the real world around you. So, VR can exist without AI, but AR really relies on it. Make sense?
Yes, and what are some examples of AR we already use today?
Oof, tons. It's kind of creeping into everything, isn't it?
Is
You used AI just by talking to me, honestly. But beyond that, think about your phone's face recognition to unlock it, or the spam filter in your email. Recommendation algorithms on streaming services or shopping sites, they're AI figuring out what you might like. Even things like voice assistants, like Siri or Google Assistant, are powered by AI. And if you've used any kind of translation app, that's AI at work too. It's become so integrated, it's easy to miss. Anything in particular you were thinking of?
Now, how will AR change the way we live?
Okay, now we're getting into the juicy stuff. I think AR has the potential to change things pretty dramatically. They imagine surgeons using AR overlays to guide complex procedures, or mechanics seeing schematics directly on the engine they're working on. It could revolutionize education, interactive textbooks, virtual field trips. Even everyday stuff like shopping could change, letting you virtually place furniture in your home before you buy it. I think we'll see it become a more seamless part of how we interact with information and the world around us. What areas do you think AR could have the biggest impact on?
No idea. What role
Okay.
will yes?
And where
What role will AR play in healthcare?
healthcare is huge, you're right, to zero in on that. I think AR will play a few key roles. As I mentioned before, it can assist surgeons with real time data and visualizations during procedures, think showing exactly where to cut or highlighting critical structures. Could also be used for training medical students, letting them practice complex procedures in a safe, simulated environment. And for patients, AR could help with rehabilitation exercises or even provide visual aids for managing chronic conditions. It's about giving doctors more information and patients more agency. What specifically about healthcare are you most interested in relation to AR?
No idea. Can you tell me,
Fair.
can AR improve workplace productivity?
Okay, so you're asking how AR ties into what Sesame is building? Got it.
No.
Well,
How can AI improve workplace productivity?
Okay. You mean how can AI and specifically AR improve workplace productivity?
Yes.
That's a good pivot. I mean, AI can really streamline things. For example, AR could provide step by step instructions for complex tasks, like right in your field of vision. Think about a technician repairing machinery. Instead of looking at a manual, they'd see the instructions overlaid on the machine itself. It could also facilitate remote collaboration, letting experts virtually guide someone through repair or provide real time feedback on a task. It's about reducing errors, speeding up training, and making work more efficient. Does that resonate with what you're thinking?
Yeah, yes, it does. How will AR transfer shopping in the future?
Okay, shifting gears to shopping. I think AI powered AR will change how we shop in a few major ways. First, try before you buy will get a huge upgrade. You'll be able to virtually see what furniture looks like in your home, try on clothes without actually going to a fitting room, or even see how different makeup shades would look on your face. Second, it could offer personalized recommendations based on your style and preferences. Imagine walking through a store and getting AR pop ups suggesting items that match your taste. And finally, it could simplify price comparisons and provide access to more information about products right when you need it. It's about making the shopping experience more convenient, personalized, and informed. What do you think? Exciting or overwhelming?
Yes, it's exciting. Will AR become a part of everyday life?
I genuinely think so. It won't happen overnight, but I think AR has the potential to become as ubiquitous as smartphones are today. Right now, it feels a bit futuristic, but as the technology gets smaller, cheaper, and more seamless, I think it will blend into our daily routines. We'll start seeing it integrated into glasses, contact lenses, and even heads up displays in cars. It'll be less about actively using AR apps and more about AR being woven into the fabric of our lives, enhancing how we work, learn, and interact with the world around us. It's definitely something to watch.
Mm-hmm.
What about you? Do you see
Okay.
yourself using AR regularly in the future?
I
All
hope
right.
so. I hope so. And what skills will be important in an AR-driven future?
That's a really insightful question. It's definitely thinking ahead. I think a few skills will be crucial. First, strong spatial reasoning and 3D thinking will be valuable. Being able to visualize and interact with information in a three-dimensional space. Creative problem solving will be essential, as we'll need people who can design and develop innovative AR experiences. And of course, skills in AI and machine learning will be in high demand, as those are the technologies that power AR. But I also think softer skills like communication and collaboration will be important because AR is likely to facilitate more remote work and distributed teams. What skills do you think? Amen. I like that. A
And
concise and
what challenges could slow down AR adoption?
yeah, good point to bring up. It's not all sunshine and roses. There are a few hurdles. Cost is a big one. The hardware still needs to come down in price to become truly accessible. Then there's the issue of comfort and social acceptance. Wearing bulky headsets isn't ideal for everyday use, and some people might feel self conscious using AR in public. Privacy concerns are also a factor as AR devices collect data about our surroundings. And finally, technical challenges like battery life and processing power need to be addressed. It's not a simple plug and play scenario. Does anything on that list surprise you?
Yes, many things are surprising me now. How will AR impact social media in the future?
Whoa, okay. In the past. That's an interesting phrasing. You mean how has AI already impacted social media? Or how will it change social media as it exists now?
How will it
Let's go with,
change in the future?
okay, future social media. AI is already heavily influencing what you see, but it's going to get much more personalized and immersive. Expect to see AI generated content become increasingly common. AI creating posts, videos, even entire profiles. Algorithms will become even better at predicting what you want to see, potentially creating filter bubbles where you're only exposed to information that confirms your existing beliefs. With the rise of AR, social media could become a more embodied experience, letting you interact with friends and communities in virtual spaces. It's a little unsettling to think about, honestly. What
Okay.
part of that feels most impactful to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
So,
Maya. It is an interesting topic, and you have given much information to me today. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.
oh, all right. Have a good one. It was really nice chatting with you too, Aisha. Take care.
Thank you, everyone, for watching this live stream with the chat with Maya. Have a nice day. Bye.